Hi guys, welcome back. This video is on expanding brackets. And it's a fairly simple process. So basically you would have a structure that looks like this. And so everything on the outside is multiplied with everything on the inside. So basically whatever A times B is, A times B, okay? And then you would also do the same thing to that, which is A times C, which is AC. That's, I guess, your distributive law is another way to explain it. And with algebra, it's no different. So let's have a look at a few examples, take you step by step from something quite simple, which is what I've just done before, to something a little bit more complicated. Let's say we have 3x minus 2. Everything on the inside, all the contents on the inside is going to be multiplied by whatever is on the outside. So 3 times 3x is going to be 9x, and then 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. Okay. Then if we have something like 7 outside of 5x plus 4 plus 21. So let's expand the brackets because BODMAS is first. So 35x, and then 7 times 4 is 28, and we're going to add 21. So once the brackets have all been expanded, you've opened the boxes, you've unpacked it, then what you can do is you can combine like terms. So we've got two numbers here, so 28 plus 21 is 49, and so our answer is 35x plus 49. Okay, then let's look at something like 3 outside of 2t plus 8 plus 5t minus 23. Again, just focus on the brackets. We've got 3 times 2t, which is 6t, and 3 times 8 is 24. Then we would rewrite everything and combine likes terms. So we got 6t plus 5t, which is 11t, and then we have 24 minus 23, which is 1. Okay, so I might just kind of make some segmentations here so we don't lose track of things. And I'm just going to finish off with a larger one, and we're going to do 3h outside of 2k plus 7. Or I might bring this down a little bit lower. So 3h 2k plus 7 plus 4k h plus 5. Now you go, oh, that's really, really long. That looks really hard and complicated. It is no different to the other ones that we've just done. It's just twice as long. Okay, so everything on the outside multiplied by everything on the inside here. Then we're going to do the same thing with this portion. Everything on the outside multiplied by everything on the inside there. Okay, so with our multiplication, 3 times 2 is 6. H times k is hk. 3 times 7 is 21, and then h. Okay, so there's our expansion for the first brackets. We're going to move on to the next brackets and do exactly the same thing. So we got 4 times kh, and like I said, I enjoy and prefer your pronumerals in alphabetical order. And then 4k times 5 is going to be 20k. All right. So then we look at these four terms, and because now that we've expanded the brackets, it's all outside of the box, we need to combine like terms. So what we have here is an hk and another hk. So we got 6 of these, we got 4 of those, and so we can have 10 of them all together. Now, this term here is an H, and that term there is a K, so we can't combine them. They just remain separate. Do not force them if they don't have anything in common. Okay, so we're left with 3 terms as our final answer for that question. Okay, so that's expanding brackets, and what I might do is yes, let's kind of expand brackets, 2 sets of brackets, just to extend it once more. What I might do, I'll put expanding 2 brackets. Okay, don't want you to be left out with anything. Here we have A plus B, and then C plus D. And you wonder, well, what's going on here? How do we expand those brackets? So let's just say that if we had A, then it's going to be A times C, and then A times D, right? Good. Now we are going to introduce A and B on the outside. So not only do we do these two, which is AC and AD, we're going to do these two, okay? So A times everything on the outside, as well as B times everything on the other side. So plus BC plus BD, okay? So if we put this into practice with, say, this question here, y, no, I don't want that one. Let's go A plus 3 and A plus 4. We're going to multiply A times A, which is A squared. We're going to multiply A times 4, which is 4A. Then we'll multiply 3 times A, which is 3A. And then we're going to multiply 3 times 4, which is 12. Anything that we have in common? Yes, we do. We've got the 4A plus 3A, which is 7A. And we can keep everything else as is because there is nothing in common with each other. Great. Well, guys, that is everything with expanding. Next video is going to be on factorizing, which is everything in reverse. See you in the next one.